Find a quiet moment to settle. Let your body know it's okay to slow down now. If it feels good, close your eyes or soften your gaze. Feel the support beneath you: chair, cushion, bed, earth. Take a slow, full breath in and a long, gentle breath out. Good. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your breath begin to soften any tension. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. Let your belly relax. Now turn your attention gently towards your mind. Maybe it's racing, planning, replaying, judging. It's okay. That's just the mind doing what it does. Instead of trying to stop the thoughts, let's practice noticing them without attachment. Visualize in your mind's eye each thought as a leaf floating down a stream. You don't need to chase it. You don't need to push it away. Just observe it drifting by. Good. Come back to your breath. Inhale, I notice. Exhale, I let go. Again, inhale, I notice. Exhale, I let go. Each time your attention wanders, gently return. There's no rush, no pressure, just this quiet rhythm of breath. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness beneath them. Let's now try a gentle affirmation. You can repeat out loud or within. My mind can rest now. I am safe in this moment. My mind can rest now. I am safe in this moment. Feel these words settle into your body. Feel the spaciousness they offer. Begin to sense the ground beneath you again, the air on your skin, the gentle rise and fall of your breath. When you are ready, invite small movements into your body, wiggling your fingers, rolling your shoulders. Blink the eyes open or simply lift your gaze. Take this calm with you, knowing you can return to it at any time.